Hello there. Let me tell you a heartwarming story about a little bird named Chirpy and her cozy nest. In a forest filled with tall trees and winding streams, Chirpy made her home in a nest she built with soft feathers and twigs. She loved her nest and took great care of it. But one day, a big storm cloud came to the forest, and the wind started to blow. The trees swayed back and forth, and the stream began to overflow. Chirpy's nest was shaken, but it remained safe and secure. Just then, she heard a faint knock on the tree trunk. She looked out and saw a shivering rabbit named Fluffy, drenched from head to paw. "Please, dear bird," Fluffy said, "may I come in? My burrow has flooded, and I have nowhere to go." Chirpy's heart melted with compassion. She decided to share her nest with Fluffy. "Come in, dear Fluffy," Chirpy chirped. "You can stay with me until the storm passes." Fluffy gratefully accepted Chirpy's offer and snuggled up in the nest. Chirpy shared her food and water with Fluffy, and they huddled together, watching the storm through a small opening in the nest. As the night passed, the storm subsided, and the sun began to shine through the clouds. Fluffy's fur dried, and her eyes sparkled with gratitude. "Thank you, dear Chirpy," Fluffy said, giving Chirpy a warm hug. "Your kindness has warmed my heart. I promise to always help others in need, just like you did for me." Chirpy smiled, feeling happy that she could help her new friend. And so, Chirpy and Fluffy became the best of friends, exploring the forest together and helping other animals in need. They learned that when we share what we have with others, it doesn't diminish our own happiness but multiplies it. I hope you enjoyed the story. Remember, sharing what we have with others can bring joy to both us and our friends. Kindness and compassion can make a big difference in someone's life, and it's important to help others whenever we can. Thank you for listening.